In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can connect your Facebook page on Instagram. You can simply add your Facebook page to your Instagram account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your Instagram. On your profile page, tap on these three lines and head into your settings and privacy. On the settings page, select the option of business tools and controls. You will have to tap on connect a Facebook page right here. You can either connect an existing Facebook page or create a Facebook page and directly connect it to your Instagram. Tap on continue. You will have to first log into your Facebook account. Just tap right here. Then follow the next simple procedures to complete the process. That's how easy it is to add your Facebook page on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.